Are Home Depot unfinished cabinets like the ones you see behind me worth buying or not? Well, if you read the reviews on Home Depot, you'll probably come to the conclusion that they're not worth buying because they turn up trashed and are not usable. But is that true? We have all of our upper cabinets in this room here, getting ready to prep so we can paint them, and these all turned out pretty good. I'm really impressed with these. These are oak fronts, really solid cabinets. Obviously, we've got the MDF on the sides here, so they're not high quality on the sides. They look really nice on the inside. I don't know what that's meant. Look like maple plywood on the inside, something like that. But these oak frames, they look really good. And for the most part, these cabinets in here are in good condition. No splits. The joints up here, the doors fit well. Nothing on the frames that are out of the ordinary. Just a little bit of glue. They only came with one shelf each, so you've got plenty of space in here. So I think we might need to figure out how to put more shelves in here. So overall, these cabinets turned out great. But out here we have our lower cabinets, a couple of upper cabinets as well, corners. I really like that corner unit in here. But yet again, we only get one shelf for this corner cabinet in here, which is kind of a little bit poor. I'd expect two shelves in there at least. We've got the drawers, really nice quality on the front here. Really impressed with these, especially for the price we paid. They don't have soft close. That's something we will need to upgrade. The same with the doors, they will slam. All of these are in really good condition. Really happy with that. Even the Lazy Susan, it works really well. Spins, and you can spin it right round and close it up. I'm a massive fan of Lazy Susans, but we couldn't figure out a way to put a cabinet in the corner, so that's the best possible solution that we could come up with. Here are the problems. So this little cabinet over here, little, what's this, 9-inch cabinet, the frame's split over here. It's not sitting correctly on this side here. We do have two 90-inch tall pantries. Really looking forward to getting these installed. Then you come to the doors. Doors don't line up. You open the door and just look at the state of this door in the back here. It's not even joint. It's completely broken away there, and this just kind of flaps around. So that's one door that's like that. This door down there, you can see there's a split right there too on the joint. Frame looks like something fell on this. This is a mess. This is clearly a transport issue. So if you are going to be buying kitchen cabinets, I recommend you do consider these Home Depot unfinished cabinets. They arrived in a couple of days. Yeah, there was a few damaged cabinets, but just make sure your expectations are that you're going to have a few damaged cabinets there, because the quality of the cabinets when they're not damaged is actually really good for the price that you pay. So